Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kumshi benta kadak jong gajingkan ma buram ya kelingku snem singi kha kaba shispa saupunyo Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel kabalong ha galai puai tarik u Risau Skul West Jaiñtia Hills District kilashim man banlong ye ki program kerpang naga benta ki Khynnah Skul kathong jong gajing Rakhe kani kasingi hasitulok kari India kalong kumshi benta kadak ban kren bat ban ai kubor sigi pat ba nong song snong shaphang ganong rim jong gajing ya tali kumbala pruit dak u Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Komunong yele lat luot baru nong mikmat syakayeng dorbar thawan kari. Kibor penyat jong ki sekolah kathong jong ka Rashtriya Ekta Diwas kila penlong ye ka run for unity ha ka porman stamp kat ba ha ka porman sengipat haman ki skul kino hikai ki ai da ka jingkran jingbatai shaphang Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel baru ka jingpuli ye ka Rashtriya Ekta Diwas pledge.
Narendra Modi as a Prime Minister, they built a statue in Gujarat. He used to do this activity as to run for unity, as an awareness to the people to show the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to the Indian history.
To preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which has made possible by diversion and action.
Bansa kan mau ya kani kasi kha jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ke Sarkar India hapok ke jingalam jong Prime Minister Narendra Modi datai ko ya statue hapok Gujarat statue bajrong tam ha ka perthai ke jingrong jong ni statue kalong hado sanspa khandai punyo fit ke jingrong Teudai statue bajrong tam ha ka perthai ban pen I ya kata ke jing ya tali jong kari India Tehakani kasngi ke Sarkar India da penlong ya ke jing ya mare menamen step ki Khynnah step da ya mare agi ban pen I ya kani ke jing ya tali jong kinong India ban pen I syaki pat ba ki bapet kum ka awareness lani kum ke jing ya lab i pat ba syapang jong uni Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ubala trai shitom haka Indian history banwan ra ya ka jing lai lot